Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So we are using Feedly to track industry news, competitor updates and emerging trends. You are using Notion to organize your research, project documentation and even team knowledge. But currently now, those two words don't talk to each other. You find a great article in Feedly, then you have to copy the link, switch to Notion, create a new page, then paste the link. Add the title, format it. It's basically a lot of friction. And when you are processing dozens of articles a day, that friction adds up to hours of lost time. What if every time you saved an article in Feedly, it automatically created a beautifully formatted page in your Notion database, complete with title, link or URL, summary and even tags? So that's exactly what Zapier can do. According to Zapier's official integration page, you can set up automation where a trigger in Feedly, like saving an article for later, automatically creates a new page in a Notion database. It's a no-code workflow that runs itself. It's questionable, but if Zapier said so, it may work. So what we're gonna do for now? Go to Zapier.com and create a free account. Free tier includes single-step zaps like this. So you will need a Feedly account and a Notion account with API access. Now it's time to create the Zap. In the Zapier dashboard, you will build a workflow. Trigger, Feedly, and the action would be Notion. And that's the whole idea, set up the Feedly trigger, and that's it. So, thank you all for watching, I'll see you all in the next video.